$1,000. Invested at 20, at the market's historical return, it could become around 88,000 by 65. Doing nothing. So let's put your first 1,000 to work, step by step. Before you invest $1, check 2 things. Have a small cash buffer so you're never forced to sell in a crisis. And clear high-interest debt first. Paying off a 20% card is a guaranteed 20% return. Step 1. Open the right account. This one decision quietly changes how much you keep. If your job offers a 401k match, take it first. That's free money. Next, a Roth IRA grows completely tax-free. After that, a regular brokerage account for total flexibility. Match, then Roth, then brokerage. Step 2. Don't pick stocks. Buy the whole market. Here's why. Over 20 years, roughly 90% of professional fund managers fail to beat a simple index fund. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to own everything, cheaply. 2 funds cover it. An S&P 500 fund owns the 500 biggest American companies. A total market fund owns basically everything. Either one, and you're instantly diversified across thousands of businesses. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% a year over the long run. Some years it drops. Some it soars. But over decades, that average is what builds real wealth. Step 3. Make it automatic, then stop touching it. Set up an automatic transfer that invests the same amount every month. It's called dollar cost averaging. When prices drop, your money buys more shares. You turn scary crashes into discounts. $200 a month at 10%. After 10 years, $38,000. After 20, $137,000. After 30, nearly $400,000. After 40, over $1 million. The line goes vertical. That's compounding. Step 4. Avoid the mistakes that wreck new investors. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Don't chase meme stocks. Don't try to time the bottom. Keep fees under 0.2%. And stop checking it every day. Boring and consistent wins. Here's the whole game in one line. Time in the market beats timing the market. The investor who starts today and never stops almost always beats the one waiting for the perfect moment. So here's your plan. Today, open the account. This week, buy one index fund with your $1,000. This month, automate a monthly amount. Then ignore it, and let time do the heavy lifting. Your first 1,000 is the hardest. Everything after is momentum. Subscribe, because next time we break down the 50-30-20 budget that actually works. See you there.